All right, everyone. Hey, what is going on? It has been almost a month since I've done a video. But man, I tell you what, when I say I've been busy, I have been consumed, literally consumed. I apologize. I'm going to try to do better, I promise. So, without further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. Is the bottom in? I have been seeing that same title over and over and over again, whether it is crypto channels, whether it is stock market channels, whether it is gold and silver. I have seen that over and over and over again, and they've been saying it for months now. Is the bottom in? The bottom is in. That's it. That's bottom is in. Guys, the roadmap hasn't changed, okay? The Fed has already stated since October of last year, okay? The Fed has stated that they plan on raising interest rates the rest of 2022. So the bottom is not in. It's still going to go down. That's just my way of thinking. Now, what do? Do you wait until 2023 to start buying, metals or crypto or stocks? No. You can always dollar cost average, right? That is normally what people do. They buy a little bit here, a little bit there each and every week. And that's something that I normally do. But lately I have been sitting on the sidelines and just stacking some cash. And I know that's something that's not really look good on is kind of frowned upon here in the precious metals realm, but stacking cash right now is it's not a bad idea. I've also been loading up on supplies because right now, in my area, my neck of the woods, it is hurricane season. It's good to be prepared. It's good to have extra supplies. There's nothing wrong with loading up on that, and I think that is one of the main things you should be worrying about as well. Is always be prepared. Expect the unexpected, and you'll be fine. I have been loading up on other metals, and I'm happy to say that I feel comfortable with that. I do feel comfortable with my precious metals. I have been stacking extremely hard the past 4 years, and it's really something to be proud of, And I'm glad I did it when I did it. I'm glad I started when I started, because I wish I would have started sooner. But you know, I'm glad I have what I have now. And to be quite honest with you, I wouldn't go about it and change it in any way, shape, or form. I think now is a great time to be holding metals. And going into 2023, and I've said this before, I think 2023 is going to be extremely bullish for gold, for silver, for most of your precious metals. I really do. I think that the DXY is going to crest or top out at some point between now and December of this year. And I think that once that happens, and that's not the only factor, right? Okay, that's not the only be all end all, right? The DXY. But you have to understand something. This Wednesday, the Fed is going to come out and they're going to, announce how high the interest rates are going to go. And then on Thursday, we're going to get information to determine whether or not we are in a recession, which it's already backdated. So technically, we would already be in that recession, right? So one of the indicators that everybody looks at is the DXY. And that's one indicator. But if we are in a recession and economies around the world are contracting, you have to understand the nature of the beast. What is silver? Silver is an industrial metal. So if everything is contracting and everyone's being impacted by their spending is being impacted by high inflation, guess what that's going to do to an industrial metal? It's going to contract as well. So I do think we do have some real room to go. Now, as far as gold, it's about half and half retail versus, not industry, but it's about 50% used in jewelry. So like I said, based off of everyone cutting back on their spending, guess what? They're going to cut back on their gold buying as well. So that's going to lead to a contraction as far as that is concerned as well. So I do anticipate some more going down for both metals. This is I'm not Nostradamus, okay? I don't know 100% which way it's going to go, but that's just my way of thinking. So I'm holding a little bit of cash right now, and I might start buying here coming up. I do have a few things that I need to take care of as far as business wise here at home, and then I might get back into it. Hopefully, we get that bottom sometime in September, sometime maybe in October. Those, the December months and the January months, those are normally bullish months for gold, and I don't think that it's going to be any different this year as well. So if you're wanting to load up, I say hold off maybe a couple more weeks, or if you're wanting to dollar cost average, there's nothing wrong with that as well. But just keep in mind, I think we're going lower. I don't think the bottom is in, whether that is crypto, whether that is the stock market, or whether that's your precious metals. I really don't think so. The good news is, the one good thing that I do see out of all this is oil has been sustaining under $100 a barrel for the past couple of days, and that is a good sign. I think everybody will cheer for that. So I know I am. I'm excited about that. I'm happy that hopefully it's coming back down, because it sucks. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know where you think gold and silver are going. Is it going down? Is it going up? You guys let me know down in the comments below. And as always, guys, keep grinding on your stack.